What is going on? What is going on this morning, everybody? Man, I am your host. Welcome to Option Nurse Podcast. I'm your host, Holly Mays. Listen, guys, a couple things we want to talk about, man, on this pre-market, man. Yesterday, man, I sat back and I literally just kind of watched the market. And I'm gonna tell you guys what I saw yesterday that I believe will make me and a lot of other traders. It'll just change the game, and it's certainly something that I'm gonna look at when we do our options trading class. I want to make sure that I put that out. But guys, I am so excited for today, guys. I believe we're gonna have an awesome offer. Gotta get my head right. We're going to have an awesome trading day, but I got some points I want to put out this morning that I think will be instrumental in how your day is going to go. Okay, guys. But listen, before we do anything, y'all know how it go, man. We got to get some of the semantics out of the way. We got to get some things out of the way. But the first thing, guys, do me a favor, man. I want you to subscribe to the Optioners Podcast YouTube channel and make sure you follow us on Instagram and Facebook, guys. Hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that like button, man. It kind of makes the algorithm think that you guys kind of listen to us every now and then. Share this, guys. Please, man, make sure you share this, okay? Make sure that you guys are really sharing this, man, because the information we're giving is crazy. So make sure you stay tuned to our Facebook and Instagram channel where we're going to be dropping some photos, some knowledge, some motivational, some educational tips. So guys, please take a look at it, man. We're going to be dropping a video every single Wednesday, guys. Every single Wednesday. Today, guys, I know it'll be in the market, but I'm going to be dropping my top brokerage firms for beginner option traders. Okay, so if you are a beginning option trader and you want to know, hey, what do I use? Do I use Robinhood? Do I use Webull? Do I use, man, something from my eye. Do I use Webull? Do I use E-Trade, Ameritrade? What I'm going to give you guys my ideas of the best brokerage firms that any beginner should be using. Okay, so y'all make sure y'all check out this on our YouTube channel. And we're going to be dropping that probably mid-afternoon. It depends on how the market go. But y'all stay tuned to that. Guys, listen, we are not financial advisors, okay? We are not financial advisors, so please make sure you do your own due diligence, man. Listen, we're here for edutainment only, which means we want to educate you and give you resources in addition to other resources that can help you gather the information that you need to be successful in the market. Also, guys, we're here for entertainment, guys. We're here to make you laugh. We're here to make you cry. We're here to make you have joy. We're here to show you highlight some pains and everything that's going on in the market. But guys, we are not financial advisors, so please make sure that you govern yourself accordingly. Guys, I want to talk about my sponsors, man. Appointed Apparel Clothing, man. This is some of the apparel that we got on the Appointed Anointed and Elected shirt. So please, guys, make sure you go check out the website. Please make sure you go do your due diligence on that, man. I'm telling you, so many Christian fashions, man, where you could be, man, because y'all should check this out. Hold on. I got the J's on, blue J's on with the camo, with the shirt on. So guys, I just want to let y'all know, man, it's crazy, man. So y'all please, man, y'all go check out Appointed Apparel Clothing. I'm telling you, man, it's on another level. It's a lot of Christian brands out there, and much love to them and respect them. But I'm telling you, man, we're coming. We're coming. We're coming, guys. All right, cool. Also, guys, make sure you do me a favor. Make sure you register today for our beginners option classes starting on July 8th and 9th. Again, please go register in our July 8th and 9th options class. What that does is one, it gets you registered for the $50 a day challenge. Okay, the $50 a day challenge. So please make sure that you get into that because that option class is directly related to the $50 a day challenge. If you always wanted to get an option trading and you always wanted to kind of, explore your hand in stocks and everything, hey, listen, this is what you want to be a part of. So please register today. We're going to be doing this on July 8th and July 9th. You will not get a link if you have not registered. You will not get a link. I don't care if it's one person in the class or two people in the class or 300 in the class. If you have not registered, you will not get in this class. We'll be doing the $50 a day. And guess what? Hey, y'all will just see the results from the back end. I'm going to open up the portfolio and I'm going to have $100 in there. That's all I'm going to do. We're going to start from $100 and we're going to grow it from there. Okay, so guys, you want to be a part of this. Okay, you want to be a part of this. All right. If you're thinking about replacing your 9 to 5, Hey, come join us, okay, guys? All right, guys, listen, let's talk about today. Let's look at some companies that I'm looking at today. Today, guys, I'm looking at Spy Tesla. I'm looking at Synes Tech. And I'm also looking at Altria. Okay, I'm looking at Altria. Altria, just want to let you guys know, is the producers and makers of the Juul LaVapor e-cigs, okay? And they had a federal ban on them, but they just got that lifted a little bit. And I'm telling you right now, the stock had been going, I mean, it just plummeted. But now, because they lifted that band a little bit, it's doing some things that I think people need to take a look at. I'm actually going to pull it up on my charts. Listen, and it's ticker symbol MO. Okay, it's ticker symbol MO. So, guys, I want to kind of show you where this thing was. So it was going down sub 40. Okay, now it's up to about 43. It was at 43 around 6 o'clock this morning, and now it's taking a little dip. It's down around 42.37. But I'm telling you guys, it's going to probably hit that $43 mark. I'm sorry, $43 mark again sometime today. So great opportunity to get in, get out, do a couple swing plays, and really get some cash flow on this. So, guys, pay attention to this. I would not use this probably in my $50 a day challenge, only because it's so foreign to a lot of people. But if you've been keeping up on the news, wonderful stock. I think you should take a look at it. Listen, I want to talk a little bit about the SPY. We're going to also get into some, I got some entry points that I need you to look at as well with the SPY and Tesla. But I want you to do that. Now, it's SNES. I actually got this. The guys in the messenger feed, man, we're talking about the program Works, which was up about 40% in the pre-market. But I just looked at the healthcare market in a whole. You were talking about Kiera Pharmaceuticals, Mustang Biotech, of course, Synes Tech, and of course, A2 Biopharma. These are all healthcare companies that you need to go take a look at. But get this, they are all penny stocks. They are all penny stocks. I know I don't do stocks a lot here, but guys, I could not help but notice these guys. These are all penny stocks. Okay, so guys, real quickly, under $1. I mean, Works is leading the way. So guys, please take a look at these. Okay, when it comes to SPY and it comes to Tesla, guys, I'm going to get into them in just a second, but I need you to pay attention to these. All you guys is talking about this $50 a day challenge that's going to be rolling with us, guys, and as we move into $75 a day, $100 a day, these two stocks I'm talking about right now are going to do it. Remember, guys, let me say this. I know when you're dealing with stocks, you deal with a multiplicity of different companies. With options, you don't have to do that. With options, you can get 1 or 2 companies, 3 at the most, and just learn them. Okay, and let those be your catalyst for how you make your money. Okay. Normally get into some under $100. I'm just telling you. But these two stocks, and we're going to talk about Tesla, and we're going to talk about SPY. Matter of fact, let's go ahead and get into that. Let's go ahead and talk about major points when we're talking about SPY. Now, I'm looking at SPY right now, and I know it took a huge jump, man. It was going crazy. I think that thing went up to like 382 or something like that, and it was down to at 380 when the market when this morning in the pre-market between 7 and 7:15. That's where it was, and it ran up, which is awesome. You know, some of the guys, hey, it was awesome. Here's the problem with that, okay? If you go look at the SPY, okay, and then go take a look at the VIX, okay? The VIX takes a huge dip, okay? The VIX is right now at about 2772. That's where the VIX is. Okay, guys, this is what happened in the morning, not only yesterday, day before, any other time. The VIX will drop all the way down just for the market to open up, and guess what? Boom, that thing runs up. So, guys, this is one of the reasons why when I look at the when we do the things to focus on today, you need to notice the bottom line of the VIX, okay? And I'm gonna see if you guys can see this, okay? Let me get this over here, okay? Where are we at? All right, so I want you to see that. This is where the VIX is. So right now the VIX is dropping down, okay? So if that's the case, then that means SPY is probably going up, right? Okay, cool. But watch this though. Make sure you pay attention when the market opens. That looks good now. You cannot do option trading right now. So that looks good right now. But these are three major points I want you to look at on the SPY. The first one, guys, and I said it, is 381. Okay, if it drops below 381, guys, and it starts dipping into 380 and all of that, guys, you may be looking at a put going in. So I'm gonna really be looking at puts today. I am just being honest with you. I'm gonna be looking at puts today, and I'm gonna probably put in a 378, 379, something really close, nowhere under $5. I'm sorry, no more over $5. But I'm probably gonna put a put in long term. But I'm gonna wait till about 9 o'clock just so I can get a better understanding of what this is doing. I'm not jumping in this like I normally would do. I'm gonna wait till about 9:15, get a clear understanding. And if it runs up, I'm cool with that. I'll just wait for it to come down. I'm not in a hurry today, guys. So please, guys, these are two major points. If it goes to 381, 380, it's a good chance you could be looking at 378, 376, 372. Those were some major, and I'm going to put those on the Facebook page. On the Facebook page, I'm really looking at 380, 381. That 380, 81 range is really something that I'm looking at. If it drops below that, it's a good chance I'm putting a 378 put, 376 put, just to kind of capitalize on the downspin, okay? Not staying in it all day, just letting you guys know. The next one, guys, is Tesla. Okay, the next one is Tesla. There's 3 points I'm looking at with Tesla. Same thing with the VIX. Guys, let me get out of here and let me show you guys Tesla. Okay, right now, Tesla's choppy. Okay, let me get over here. Okay, Tesla's choppy. Okay, Tesla's choppy. Okay, when I see Tesla's choppy and it's hanging around that 694, 695 range, that looks good. Again, this is pre-market. I don't look at nothing on the pre-market when it comes to options. Stocks, that's a little different. But when it comes to pre-market, when it comes to option trading, I do not really pay attention to the pre-market like that, especially when I know the VIX has shot all the way down. It's not going to stay there. Okay, it never really does, not all day. So, guys, even though Tesla closed at 699 yesterday, I expect for it to touch that again. I expect it to even see 700. I'm not knocking that, okay? But what I want you to pay attention to, guys, is what goes up must come down. We're still in a bearish market, okay? So, hey, I'm cool with Tesla going to the moon. Whatever you want to do, go to 750. I don't really care. However, if I'm not going to get in it on the way up, I'm going to get in it on the way down. How do I know if this thing is on the way down? I'm looking at 3 major points, guys: 692, 688, and 686. When I see this thing get to dropping close to those areas, I'm going to probably jump in on one of these areas, okay? So my major point right now is if it drops down to 692, that's what's going to make me, especially where it is right now. However, let me tell you how to scale up. If it goes up to 722, whatever the case may be, guys, that's a good entry point because it's going to come down. But just be patient with Tesla, okay? It is a gold mine to go all the way up and come back down. So I'm looking for Tesla to go to 720 or 715. I don't have a problem with that. All right, I do not have a problem with that. Right now, though, I'm looking for puts in Tesla. I'm not trying to catch Tesla on the uptrend because it has not been working well for investor friends of mine trying to catch Tesla to try to see where that peak is going to be before it comes back down. So, guys, pay attention to these levels: 692, 688, and 686 on your put. Somebody's texting me now and tweeting me now saying, "Well, what about to the call side?" I'm not looking to put a call in Tesla. I'm not looking to put a call in the spot. Okay, I'm not. I'm waiting for them to get to their points. I'm waiting for this morning rush, and then boom. I'm waiting for it to fall. That's just me, guys. You guys do your due diligence, do your research, but I'm looking to see how far this thing gonna go up so I can get an easy put, watch it when it drops down, get out of the market, and hey, enjoy the rest of my day. Some other plays, guys, we're taking a look at, guys. NEO, guys. Positive 22.20, some good entry points on calls, negative 21.55, good inputs on puts, guys. So pay attention to those, guys. Also on Amazon, guys, it's been a long time since we talked about Amazon. And Amazon looks like slowly but surely it's trying to get up. I remember when it was at 107. So, guys, when I was in it was at 107. It dropped all the way down to 107. So, guys, please take a look at these. These are still good entry points to get in. So if you see Amazon starting to tweak a little bit, hey, you may want to jump in. But, guys, let me say this real quickly. On your puts and your calls, I would stay in longer on a put than I would a call because I understand that it's still long-term a bear market. But be careful if you're going to get in your calls. Go ahead and put your stop loss in as soon as you get in, probably 10% maybe. Okay, if you pay $100 and you lose $10, it's not as bad as paying $100 and losing $50. So put a stop loss in for a 10% drop, and I'm cool with that. I'm just being honest with you guys. I'll lose $10 on my 100 better than I will 50. Okay, so please put your stop loss in. On the put, you probably could get away with it a little bit, but hey, do your own research, do your own due diligence, okay? Let's go ahead and talk about the focus for the day, guys. Let's talk about things to focus on for the day, guys. All right? The first thing I want to focus on, guys, again, I'm looking at the VIX and I'm looking at SPY. I'm looking at the VIX and I'm looking at SPY, man. I'm telling you right now, don't underestimate the VIX. Don't underestimate the VIX, guys. Right now, that thing is going up and down. If you look at it, and I'm just going to show this to you. It's on my phone, guys, so forgive me. But I want to show this to you. And I'm going to show you an access point. There we go. All right, I want you to look at this, okay? And this is for people that can see. I want you to see the green, then what happened with the green, okay? When SPY gets down, let me tell you what that level is. When SPY gets down to about 2765, okay? When it comes down to 2765, that's a major resistance, okay? Because that was the low of today. Okay. Now that when it gets to about 27, that's what you got to look at. That's what you got to look at. So I'm looking at 2765, tough. Okay. I'm also looking at 2785, tough. All right. So these are 2 points right there. 2765, 2785. I'm looking in between there until it makes a decision on what it wants to do. I'm not doing anything. Okay. And I know, oh my God, I'm urged to do something. But guys, I'm looking at the VIX and 2 points are really where it's going to be a deciding factor for me, okay? And I'm also looking at SPY. Why? Because the SPY is very volatile this morning. It's just going crazy. But here's the deal. I'll show you again. Here's it. Look at those heels. Look at those heels. I don't have time to kind of draw the charts and do it on my Facebook page, but look at those heels, okay? 2 major points I'm looking at, 382 and 381. 382, 381. Remember, guys, I showed you guys around 381, 380, 81. Guys, I'm going to make some major decisions on that, guys. So please make sure, don't get excited by this little green spurt or the red spurt. Don't get excited about it. Compare the 2 charts. I'm telling you, that's going to tell you what most of the market is going to be doing. You still got the Fed Chairman Powell coming up to give you June synopsis on the income reports and things like that. So guys, whenever these come up, even though it's not major news and we kind of know what happened in June, it still plays a significant role in how the market goes. Whenever these little Fed chairman speeches come up, you want to pay attention to them, okay? So please, guys, do your due diligence, okay? Keep your eyes on the VIX and SPY. I promise you, it will tell you which way you can put your put a call in, whether you're doing a put a call, and how to make some money, okay? The second one, guys, be patient. Wait till about 9 o'clock for your first trade. Please don't jump in. It's not what you think. I didn't even look at the futures. Let me turn around. I didn't even look at the futures. Let me go back to the futures. That's really what we need to be looking at, as the futures, because a lot of people don't understand where we're at when it looks at the, okay. So guys, right now I'm looking at the futures, guys. And we have the NASDAQ 100 up probably $1.25, but the S&P 500 down $1, and we have the Dow Jones down $8. Guys, it's not enough certainty going on in the futures to let us know, oh, let me put in a put, let me put in a call. That's why these levels are very important. And I guarantee you they're waiting on see what Fed Chairman Powell is going to say. Don't understand why, but that's a major conference. Okay, I mean a speech engagement. So please make sure you be patient. I'm telling you, watch it, look at it, don't jump in, don't get antsy. Okay, and I'm one of them guys. The pot can't talk about the kettle, because as soon as I see it jump up, I'm boom. But let me tell you something: all money ain't good money. Okay, all plays ain't good plays. Don't let what you see deceive what you know. All right. Don't let what you see deceive what you know. All right. So please, guys, be patient. Wait until about 9 o'clock for your first trade. All right. The next one is pay attention to healthcare stocks today. A lot of you guys been hitting me up like, man, hey, listen, man, I don't have the money to do XYZ. Great. Go check out these penny stocks, these healthcare stocks. Right now, we talked about Works. All right, we talked about Works and it was up 40% in the pre-market. Guys, if you're not going to get into option trades, you still can make use a little bit of bread. I know I'm options everything, but I'm also about generational wealth, and I'm also about growing the dollar. So right now, if you go into something like Works or Synes Tech or whatever healthcare stock you want to get into, guys, it's only 50 cents. All right, go get you 25 shares. Go get you 50 shares, okay? And sit on it until you figure out what you're going to do in the market. All right? It's just a way to make money while you chill. All right. I'm into these penny stocks, man, because now penny stocks are more prevalent. Okay. Again, I'm Mr. Option. I'm still the option holic. I'm still the option guru. But once again, I'm also about making bread. So please make sure you take a look at this, because that's going to be a part of our $50 a day challenge, as well as being able to observe all money making opportunities. Okay, I'm not going to dip into stocks and dealing with companies, but I am going to look at opportunities that are hitting their all-time lows. They got a chance to go back up. Okay, so pay attention to some of these stocks. I'm going to put them in the group on the Facebook page later. That way you guys can kind of check them out. All right. The next one, guys, watch for the V shape and the N shape. That's what I showed you a little bit on the charts today. That V shape, then the N shape. What is the N shape? The N shape is where you see it jump up, come back down, and guess what? Then it jumps back up. This is why the VIX and the SPY are extremely important, because they are notorious for the V shape and the N shape. The V shape and the N shape. I'm going to be teaching this in our option classes. Why? Because we need to know when we hit the top, and we need to know when we hit the bottom. We need to be able to look at our RSI charts and be able to say, oh, okay, you know what? That's over 70 RSI. It's probably overbought. So guess what? It's going to come down. Or it's at a 40 on the RSI and it's underbought, undersold or oversold, and guess what? It's going to pop back up. So we got to be able to look at these charts and be able to see when is a good entry point and when is a good exit point. That's part of your exit strategy and a part of your entry strategy, okay? I'm going to be teaching that in the options class, so guys, make sure you stay tuned for that, all right? But other than that, guys, that's all I got, man. Listen, make sure you guys go subscribe to the YouTube channel, man. We're dropping our first video today. I'm going to be dropping some of my favorite brokerage companies for beginner options. I pray you guys like it. So please like, share, comment, subscribe, make this thing go viral. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. Y'all know how it go, but I need you to watch it. I need you to hit the link. So share it with your friends and family members. I promise you it will help you. Okay, guys, please make sure you go check out Appointed Apparel Clothing. Man, I'm telling you, man, it's crazy, man. It's crazy. I'm going to put the link down in the bottom. Hold on. Let me see if I got you. All right, boom. There you go. I got the website down at the bottom, so make sure you guys go check it out, man. Don't let gas prices keep you, man, from being fresh, man, and repping our Lord and Savior, God, okay? So, but listen, guys, also make sure you guys go check out and register for the beginner option class starting July 8th and 9th. All those links are in your description. All the links are in the description. All the links are in the description. All the links are in the description. So guys, please go check this out, man, and go join. It's only $25. And man, you get 2 days of tons of knowledge, man. So please, guys, go check that out. That also gains you interest in the $50 a day challenge. Listen, you will not get a link to the $50 a day challenge if you have not registered for the beginner's option class. No exception. No exception. So again, I'll tell you, like I told you before, I don't care if it's one person. I don't care if it's 200 people. If you have not registered, you will miss out on the chance of a lifetime to grow your finance business. Okay, so guys, listen, that's my time. I love you with the love of the Lord. Remember to uplift Christ wherever you go, and do me a favor, make the rest of your day the best of your day. I love you guys. Peace.